Hello and welcome back to our number names series. In our last video, we learned how to spell the numbers from 0 to 10. If you haven't watched that video yet, we highly recommend you do so before watching this one, as it forms the foundation for the number names we'll be learning today and in future, for larger numbers between 20 and 100. Today, we will be taking the next step and learning how to spell the numbers from 11 to 20. These numbers are slightly harder to spell than the ones we learned in the previous video, so make sure you have a good grasp of those first. Don't worry if it takes some time to remember these spellings. As with a new skill, it takes practice and repetition to master it. So, be sure to take your time and revise the spellings regularly. We are confident that with a little bit of effort, you'll be able to spell these numbers out like an expert in no time. So, let's get started. Eleven. E L E V E N 11. 12. T W E L V E 12. 13. T H I R T E E N 13. 14. F O U R T E E N 14. 15. F I F T E E N 15. 16. S I X T E E N 16. 17. S E V E N T E E N 17. 18. E I G H T E E N 18. 19. N I N E T E E N 19. 20. T W E N T Y 20